Welcome to Suri Daily English, the podcast, a leading English podcast channel.
Suri, help me. Call 911. Call the police. Call NASA.
Alex, slow down. Breathe. What is happening? Are you hurt?
I am physically okay, but emotionally, spiritually, I am destroyed. Just look at it.
Look at what? You are holding your phone.
Exactly. I am holding a brick. A useless, black, expensive brick. It's dead, Suri. It's gone. The screen is black. I pushed the button. I pushed it 100 times. Nothing. No light. No Apple logo. Just darkness.
Oh, Alex, I thought it was a real emergency. Your phone is just broken?
Just broken, Suri? My life is inside this rectangle. My maps, my messages, my photos of my cat, my food ordering app, my soul.
Your soul is in an app? That is very sad, Alex. Here, sit down, drink some water.
I can't sit. I feel strange. I feel naked without it. My hands, they don't know what to do. Usually my thumb is moving. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Now my thumb is just floating. It's awkward.
That feeling is called withdrawal, Alex. You are addicted. But tell me, how did you get here to the studio? Usually you follow the GPS on your phone, right?
That was the scariest part. I left my house, I pressed the map app, and nothing. Black screen. I panicked. I stood on the sidewalk for 5 minutes. I didn't know if I should turn left or right.
So what did you do?
I I had to read the street signs.
So you read real signs with your eyes?
Haha, very funny. Yes, I looked up, I saw Green Street, then I saw Main Avenue. I had to use my memory. It was terrifying. I felt like an explorer in the jungle, but the jungle was just the city center.
You know, Alex, this reminds me of a metaphor. Think about a screen and a window.
A screen and a window? They are both glass.
Yes, but they are very different. A screen shows you a picture of the world. It is flat. You can see a beach on your phone, but you cannot feel the sand.
That is true. Sand makes a mess anyway.
But a window, you can open a window. You can feel the wind. You can smell the rain. Today, because your screen was black, you had to look through the window of your eyes. You had to join the real world.
Maybe. I mean, the walk here was different. It took 30 minutes. Usually I listen to a podcast or watch funny videos while I walk. I don't see anything. I just walk and look at my feet.
And today, what did you see today?
Well, first I saw the sky.
The sky. What did it look like?
It was very blue, like shockingly blue, and the clouds were big and white, fluffy. Usually I check the weather app to see if it's sunny. Today I just looked up. It was brighter than my screen.
Bright is a great adjective. Real light is always stronger than digital light. What else did you notice with your eyes?
Okay, don't laugh, but I saw the flower shop on the corner. I walk past that shop every single day for 2 years.
And?
I never knew they sold sunflowers. Huge yellow sunflowers, and red roses, and pink things. I don't know the name, but the colors were so vibrant. That's the word, right? Vibrant?
Yes, vibrant means full of energy and color. When you look at Instagram, the photos are edited. They use filters. But real flowers, they are naturally vibrant.
Wait, the smell. Suri, we have to talk about the smell.
Okay, tell me about the smell.
So, I was walking past the bakery. You know, Ben's Bakery down the street.
Oh, I love that place.
So, usually I walk past it fast because I'm late or I'm texting. But today, without the phone, I was walking slower. And suddenly, boom, the smell hit me.
Describe it for me. Use your descriptive words.
It was warm. It smelled sweet, like sugar and yeast. It was the smell of fresh bread coming out of the oven, and butter, melted butter. It felt like a hug for my nose.
A hug for your nose. That is very poetic, Alex.
It's true. And the coffee? I could smell the dark, bitter coffee beans. Usually, I just open my food app, click order, and a guy on a motorbike brings me a bag. I eat it, but I don't really experience it.
Because on the app, there is no smell. You missed the anticipation.
Exactly. Today, the real smell made me so hungry. My stomach made a noise like a lion. Grrr. I almost walked inside to buy 10 croissants.
But you did it?
No. I realized I couldn't pay with Apple Pay because my phone is dead. It was a tragedy.
Oh, poor Alex. So we have sight, the blue sky, the vibrant flowers, smell, the warm bread, the coffee. What about sound?
Sound? Well, usually I wear my headphones, noise-canceling headphones. I want to block the world out.
But today, your ears were open.
Yes, and the world is noisy, but not all bad noise. I heard a bus, which was loud, but then I heard birds.
Birds singing? In the city?
Yes, little brown birds. They were chirping. Tweet, tweet. It sounded crisp. And then 2 blocks away, there was a guy playing a guitar.
A street musician?
Yeah, he was playing an old song, acoustic guitar, no electric stuff, just wood and strings. I stood there for a minute and just listened. It felt raw.
Raw. That is a perfect word. It means natural, not processed, not recorded. Live music has a vibration you can feel in your chest.
Yeah, it was nice. I actually smiled at him. I didn't have cash to give him, but I smiled.
That brings me to my next question. Interaction. Usually, when you are on the bus or walking, where do you look?
I looked down, always down. I don't want to make eye contact. It's awkward. People are scary.
But today, you had no shield, no foam to hide behind.
Yeah, I sat on the bus bench. I looked around and I saw people, real people, not just profile pictures.
Tell me about the people.
I saw a lady with a baby. The baby was looking at me. You know how babies stare? No blinking, just staring.
Yes, babies are very honest.
And I made a funny face. I stuck my tongue out, and the baby laughed. A big, gummy laugh. No teeth, just gums.
That is adorable.
And then I saw a dog, a golden retriever. It was chasing a leaf. It looked so happy, just pure joy because of a leaf.
See, this is what I call people versus profiles. On your phone, you see profiles. You see the best photos, the edited life. But on the street, you see people. You see a baby laughing, a dog playing, a tired man sleeping. You see the truth.
It felt connected. Even though I didn't talk to them, I felt like I was part of the city, not just moving through it.
That is a big realization, Alex. You were present. You were here, now, not in the future, not on the internet, just here.
Yeah, it was actually kind of peaceful. My brain wasn't buzzing with notifications. No ding, no buzz, no ring, just birds and guitar and wind.
It sounds like a lovely morning.
It was, but Suri, can you please look at my phone now? I still need to call my mom and check my email and see if anyone liked my photo of my sandwich.
Let me see. Give it to me.
Be careful, it's fragile.
Alex, look at the side of the phone. There's a little switch here.
The silence switch? No, the power button is on the other side.
No, this is the screen curtain mode you accidentally turned on. Or wait, no, look, your brightness is just at 0%.
What? No, that's impossible.
Watch, I will slide this bar up and...
Light! There is light! It's alive! Oh, sweet technology. Hello, beautiful icons. Hello, Instagram. Hello, scary news headlines.
And he's back. The calm, peaceful Alex is gone. The tech addict is back.
Oh, look, I have 12 messages, and oh, they're all spam. Buy cheap sunglasses, you want a free cruise.
So, how do you feel now? You have your precious phone back.
I feel relieved. Yes, safe. But
But
I kind of miss the quiet. I look at this screen now and it's just bright lights. It's not as beautiful as the sunflowers. It doesn't smell like the bakery.
the phone is a tool, Alex. It is useful, but it is not life. The broken phone was a gift for you today.
A gift? It gave me a heart attack.
A gift of time. It gave you your senses back. You saw, you smelled, you heard, you felt. You lived for 1 hour without a filter.
Yeah, I guess you're right. The bakery did smell amazing, and that baby was really cute.
So let's review our word tour for today before you start scrolling again.
I am ready. My brain is turned on, just like my phone.
So first we had panic.
That is the feeling of extreme fear. When my screen was black, I felt panic. I couldn't breathe.
Correct. Then we talked about being disconnected.
That means not being online. But today, being disconnected from the internet meant I was connected to the real world.
Exactly. Then we used sensory words. Vibrant.
Bright and full of color, like the sunflowers and the blue sky, not dull.
And aroma.
A strong, pleasant smell, like the warm bread and the coffee. Aroma.
And finally, raw or acoustic.
Natural sound, like the guitar or the birds, not electronic.
You learned a lot for a guy with a broken phone.
I did. But Suri,
Yes, Alex.
can we go to the bakery now? Talking about the bread made me really hungry, and now my phone works, so I can use Apple Pay.
Okay, let's go. But here's the rule. The phone stays in your pocket. We eat the croissant. We don't take a photo of the croissant.
No photo? But if I don't post it, did I even eat it?
Alex?
Okay. Phone in pocket, eyes up. Let's go.
Before we go, I have a challenge for our listeners.
Oh, a challenge. Is it smash your phone with a hammer?
No, please don't do that. The challenge is simple. Tomorrow, go for a walk. Just 10 minutes, but leave your phone at home or turn it off.
Yes. Look up. Look at the sky. Smell the air. Listen to the birds.
Life is happening right now, not on your screen. Don't miss it.
Thanks for listening, everyone. I'm going to get my croissant now.
Goodbye. See you in the real world.